Hey everyone! Want to create a fun and eye-catching stickers in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to design unique stickers using Ideogram AI, perfect for merch, planners, or just for fun. Let's get started. First, go to Ideogram AI and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free. And once inside, click on the text box, and this is where you can write your prompt. Then, write a detailed prompt. To make a great stickers, your prompt should describe the design, style, and background. Put this example. Cute cartoon corgi eating a donut, sticker design, white outline, kawaii style, and high detail. And make sure to include a sticker design and a white outline so it has a classic sticker look. Now, pick your art style in Ideogram if you want more cartoony, realistic, or minimalist. Then, hit generate and wait for a few seconds. And here you'll see a sticker design appear ready to download or print. And click on your favorite sticker result, then press download. You can print them on sticker paper or sell them digitally. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!